The reason why I wanted these is I'm a ORF certified teacher. So every year for the past 3 summers, I've taken about 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks to get certified in a style of teaching that allows children to actually have hands-on control of accompanying themselves, singing, playing, dancing. And so in order to do this, I had to do 3 summers. And this summer I'm going to do the master class, and we go and we learn all of this new content for the children to learn, to sing, and to actually be in control of their artistry. And this particular style of xylophone is actually invented for children, and it gives them the opportunity to be in control and be the ones that accompany themselves and create. So I wanted these to have your children to have fun, enjoy being a musician, and enjoy being an artist. Thank you so much, Foundation, for doing this for us. We are so excited. So these are the bars. And I really like that they are very clear, like what pitch they are on top, because not all of them come that way. What I really wasn't expecting is that they all came with mallets. So like I have the set of mallets, and it has a little case in it. C, D, E, F, E, is my D. And a lot of the music I teach it in a way so that they will become adults that sing to their children. They're so heavy, they're really nice. They're gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. So this is going to be fantastic. The children are really going to love this. No, the F, these are raised. So like right now, if they were singing a song, it's in minor, right? If I did it in D, but if I take out this F and I replace it with a raised F, it will allow the children to sing sing another song but higher with that raised F. See what it did? So it's really fun. This is gonna be, I didn't expect it to ring like that. Ah, that's wonderful. Yes, so we are gonna have a blast, and I'm gonna be posting things from time to time so that parents can see how we're utilizing the things and the tools, wonderful resources that you guys have provided us. We're gonna have so much fun. Hopefully your children will come home singing. So I'm gonna play the older one, which we'll still use. They're both sopranos. The timbre is completely different. They're both wood, but this is of much better quality, and it's just night and day. It's fantastic.